I was simply playing piano one day. The room was dark and empty. It was just me and the piano. Just the sound of the keys was fulfilling in itself. But just when I thought I couldn't be any happier with the sound, there was a gentle knock on the door.
Was that you who was playing Hallelujah?
Yep, sure was.
Start from the beginning.
From that point on, I realized that the sound can only get better. The sound of Autumn made the music pristine. Autumn Pawloski is a freshman at Edinboro University. She studies music, but there's more to it than just the fact that it's her major. To Autumn, music is a way of life. It's a passion, a downright desire that she can't live without. When singing, she has a particular energy, a vibrancy surrounded by sheer confidence. I sat down with Autumn to get a good idea of who she was and what her background was.
It definitely was with my family. Like, that's where it all began. I pretty much started singing when I could talk. My mom had me singing in church with her since I could talk. I sang for weddings, all kinds of stuff. So like, I've just grown up in a musical environment ever since I was little.
It turns out that Autumn is more than just a singer, but an actress as well, performing a main role in the production of The Fiddler on the Roof at Deer Lakes High School.
Like, musicals were definitely my thing when I was growing up. Musicals like The Wizard of Oz, Grease, Phantom of the Opera, all like the Disney musicals like Lion King, Little Mermaid, Beauty and the Beast. That's where I love singing, because I just jump around the room and sing all the songs to all the musicals.
She also has conducted a chamber ensemble at a fine arts event in Deer Lakes.
Miss Autumn Pawloski, right here, wants to be mini-me, basically. She wants to be a music major. She wants to be a vocal teacher one day. And she's actually going to my alma mater. She auditioned and was accepted.
That's actually a really funny story, because this was not my first choice. I originally wanted to go to Point Park, and my chorus teacher, she's an alumni from Edinboro, and she went through the music education program, and she was doing an independent study with me my senior year.
So part of her independent study with me this year was to learn how to conduct choir. And Autumn is going to conduct this next piece for you. It is an Elvis Presley piece. Are you willing to sing tonight?
So she sings, performs, and conducts. But she also is very creative-minded. She writes music in her free time. Her current music classes that she's enrolled in allow her musicianship to expand, and has resulted in her being very proficient on the piano. She has composed a few pieces of music on the piano, further expanding her versatility.
I started writing music a couple years ago. I really just started, but ever since I got to Edinboro, that's when I really started writing music, especially just for piano, not really any like songs, like mainly just piano ballads and stuff like that. I think my favorite part about writing music is being able to convey my emotions onto an instrument. You know, it's so much more different than like saying like, oh hey, I'm happy, or oh like I'm really sad today. Like, it's a more unique way of expressing to somebody how you feel. I would always go to it more in high school to like kind of like get out my emotions and just kind of like calm myself down when I was like having a bad day or like something went wrong with somebody. You know, it was a good outlet for me. Anytime I'm ever feeling down or low, I can always just go and play out some notes on the piano or just sing a song that I love, just to kind of release those emotions and make it easier for myself. I mean, as life goes on, things change in your life and new problems come up and happy moments come up where, you know, writing music will still be a great outlet for me to kind of like release those emotions, so definitely.
She has a variety of skills that pertain to her major, ensuring her a very promising future.
Right after I graduate, I plan on going to Italy to hopefully get an internship in music and maybe get my master's at a conservatory. And as a career overall, I'd really like to perform first, just, you know, because it's like the height of like my career is like when I'm younger. So I'll perform first, and then after I settle down and like maybe have a family, I'll probably teach music.